Hi, this is Martin Human of Optimate. This is my daily drive, but I have a problem. Like all modern cars, this car actually has quite a drain on the battery from the GPS locator and the various electronics that keep on running. So if I don't take a long drive, at least once every 2 weeks, I get a battery warning and I have to charge the battery. Annoying, but that's how it is with modern cars these days. You have to keep that battery alive. Let me show you how to do this. This car's battery is located below this panel, so I can't really access the battery directly. The only way I can charge this battery is by connecting to these points here with some clips that I miraculously have in my pocket. Hook up the positive here and the negative here, and that then hooks up to the battery charger. But I've realized I have to make this easier on myself. So I've fitted a magnetic connection system here. That's our 097 series of MagCode connectors. And it actually hooks up to the charger with this magnetic connector. Like that. And then that hooks up to the charger instead of the clips. So why is that easier? Well, this is a lot safer. If I knock this hood and it came down on this cable, it would be fine because I have a protective layer over this cable here. Let me hook up the charger. I have here our Optimate 7. This is a 10 amp charger. Now this magnetic connector here is rated up to 15 amps, so I'm pretty safe in hooking this directly up to this connector. And as you can see, that battery is low and it needs to be charged up. Pretty easy to do that with our MagCode connection system. This cable is protected here with this sleeve, so even if you slam this hood down, you should be fine. There's a fuse in line with the battery as well.